their case space. Congress can't change the case. Appellant's flexible, they can set the pace. Supreme Court's untouchable. Congress says no way, but lower courts, they call the shots every day. Originals fixed, appellate's bent. This distinction's key, a must-know event. Congress's power stops where the Supreme stands tall. Know this rule or you'll surely fall. No federal case if mootness shows the past. The issue's done and over, the case won't last. Ripeness means it's not ready yet, no suit today. If it's future talk or plans, the courts won't play. Standing means you're harmed in person, plain and true. No injury, no suit can't bring it through. No case or controversy means no fight. If dispute is missing, no courts tonight. Congress can't change the case. Appellate's flexible, they can set the pace. Supreme Court's untouchable. Congress says no way, but lower courts, they call the shots every day. Originals fixed, appellate's bent. This distinction's key, a must-know event. Congress's power stops where the Supreme stands tall. Know this rule or you'll surely fall. State court's decision locks the door if state grounds stand. Independent and adequate means no federal hand. Political questions, courts will often say, that's your branch's job, we're not here to play. Congress can't change the case. Appellate's flexible, they can set the pace. Supreme Court's untouchable. Congress